Welcome to Spectrum, a unique platform where every voice matters, every story inspires, and every thought finds a place to shine. Good morning, everyone. Let me start with a question. Have you ever used an app like Instagram to post a picture, ordered food through Zomato, or watched a movie on Netflix? All these magical experiences are made possible by something called programming languages. They're the secret behind the apps, games, and websites you love. Today, we're going to explore what programming languages are, why they matter, and how they shape our daily lives. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think, and by the end, you'll realize how coding can be fun and powerful. What are programming languages? Think of a programming language as a way to talk to a computer. 1. Imagine trying to communicate with someone who only speaks Mandarin while you speak Telugu. You need a translator, right? Similarly, computers don't understand our languages. They only understand machine language, which is made up of zeros and ones. Programming languages are the translators. They allow us to give instructions to computers in a way they understand. Why do we need programming languages? Let's say you're baking a cake. To get the perfect result, you need a recipe with detailed steps. Similarly, if you want a computer to perform a task, you need to provide clear instructions, called a program, written in a programming language. Types of programming languages. Programming languages are like the many spoken languages in India: Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada. Each has its strengths and uses. Similarly, different programming languages are used for different tasks. Let's explore the main types. 1. Low-level languages. These are like talking directly to the computer in its own language. They are efficient but hard to write and understand, much like deciphering ancient scripts. 2. High-level languages. These are easier to learn and closer to human language. Think of them as simple instructions you can give to your friend. Often referred to as the foundation of programming, C is one of the oldest and most reliable languages. 2. Used in embedded systems like washing machines or ATMs. B. Python. Known as the language for beginners, Python is simple, flexible, and widely used. Indian example. Flipkart uses Python to analyze customer behavior and recommend products. 3. Global example. NASA uses Python for its scientific calculations. C. Java. The backbone of Android app development. Example. Apps like Paytm and Ola are powered by Java. D. JavaScript. If you've visited a website with cool animations or interactive buttons, you've seen JavaScript in action. Example. Swiggy uses JavaScript to make its website user-friendly. E. SQL, structured query language. Used to manage and retrieve data. Think of how Facebook shows your friends' posts or Amazon tracks orders. That's SQL at work. Why so many languages? This is a common question. Why not just one language? Let's take an example from everyday life. You use Telugu to express your feelings to your family, Hindi for national communication, and English for global conversations. Similarly, each programming language is designed for a specific purpose. C++, best for building high-speed games like PUBG. HTML and CSS, used to design beautiful web pages like Wikipedia. Python, perfect for artificial intelligence, AI, and data science, such as predicting weather patterns or diagnosing diseases. Examples from real life. Example 1. Automating your TV. Imagine you want your TV to automatically switch to your favorite channel when turned on. You could write a simple program to make that happen. That's coding in action. Example 2. Traffic signals. In cities like Hyderabad or Bengaluru, traffic signals are managed by software that ensures smooth flow. The programs behind them are written in languages like Python or C. Example 3. International example. SpaceX. Elon Musk's SpaceX uses programming to control rockets. The software must be perfect, or a tiny mistake could lead to failure. Why should you learn programming? Here's why programming is an amazing skill to have: creativity and innovation. 1. Want to design your own game, app, or website? Coding makes it possible. 2. Imagine creating an app to solve real-world problems in India, like helping farmers with weather predictions. Career opportunities. The world needs programmers. From Hyderabad's IT hub to Silicon Valley, companies are hiring coders to shape the future. Problem-solving skills. Coding teaches you how to break down big problems into smaller, solvable steps, a skill that's useful in every area of life. Programming languages are the building blocks of the digital world. They power the apps, games, websites, and systems we use every day. Learning to code is like gaining a superpower. You can create solutions, explore ideas, and open doors to exciting career opportunities. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover the joy of programming. Who knows? Maybe one day, you'll design the next big app or technology that changes the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Like this video to show your support. Comment with your thoughts and questions. Share with friends and family. Stay curious, stay inspired, and see you in the next video.